So some of the problems that let's say entrepreneurs here in Bosnia face is that they don't know how to start, what are the legal aspects of starting a company, what are the phases of starting a company, how to do a market research, how to see whether a product is fit for a market. And also one of the most important parts, in my opinion, is that there are no funds here in Bosnia. I mean, they are, but it's really hard to access those funds. So basically, usually startups here face the problem of getting access to funds, and which means that they have to have a job and do the startup as a side project and as a hobby, which results in failing the startup, since in order to own a successful business, you have to give basically your 100% and even more. And in this case, if you have a job, you can't focus, and it usually takes a lot of time to basically success here. On the other hand, I think since there are not many startups here in Bosnia currently, although in the past year I've seen a lot of companies and new ideas coming to the market, but because there are not many startups and fundings, this creates a unique opportunity to basically, if you have an idea, you can just simply start without opening a company and having worrying about the legal issue. You can simply start in a low-key environment and then test the market, which is also something unique that you can have, since there are not a lot of competition here in Bosnia. You can basically test your idea and see whether it will work or not. My participation in Western Balkan Summit in London will allow me to meet other entrepreneurs from different countries, see what problems they're facing, and from the other hand, I can meet a lot of investors and see the market in UK and what are the steps in opening a startup and starting a startup in London or in the UK in general. On the other hand, we can see, I think, meeting with investors, pitching to them can open potential opportunities for startups in Bosnia, and maybe attract investors to Bosnia if they see what we are doing and the potential of the market, which is currently, I think, really good.